Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make this really trendy microwave edit on CapCut PC. You can also do it in your phone on your phone as well, sorry. So get your video and make sure your clip is around 1 second each. I'm just going to copy and paste each of the video like so. I might delete the one here. And then you're going to basically reverse all of the second video like that. Then you're going to want to go to speed and you're going to do the exact same thing. Go to custom and curves. Delete these ones in the middle here. And for the first clip, put it like right around here and place it down like that. And you're going to do the same, same thing, but like in reverse. So delete these ones. Oops. And place it up here. Place this one all the way down there. Till you get something like this. And you're just going to do it for all of your clips. You can, I think, right click, just copy attributes and paste it. I'm just going to go with this curve here. So let's delete these ones and paste the curve. And then here, copy attributes and just paste the curve so you don't have to make that curve again. And I think it's easier that way. Copy attributes and then paste. Okay. You should have something that looks like this. Okay. Once you're done, you can also make it slower, faster, just adjust it to the audio. Since I'm not using audio, I can't really show you that. But that's pretty much it. You can add in like a flash transition in the middle if you want to, or like a glitch. So for the flash, I'm just going to add this overlay. Blend mode, select overlay, and then go to animation and do fade out for the whole duration. You're just going to copy and paste it through all the video transitions. And if you want to, you can also add in a transition or like a glitch effect. It's totally up to you. But to make it more smoother, just right click, select everything, right click, create compound clip. Then you're going to go to motion blur and blur and blend everything. And just wait for it to process to make it a little bit more smoother. And that's it. That's the microwave edit. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.